Feuds and drama unveiled, Lala Kent, Brittany Cartwright, and the babysitter debacle on Vanderpump Rules. The world of reality television is no stranger to drama and feuds, and the latest controversy involves former Vanderpump Rules co-stars Lala Kent and Brittany Cartwright. During the season 11 reunion, Kent dropped a bombshell revelation about Cartwright's actions surrounding the day Kent found out the sex of her second baby. The feud centers around Cartwright allegedly messaging Kent's mother without permission, leading to a heated confrontation between the two reality stars. In this article, we delve into the details of the babysitter debacle, Kent's frustrations, and the wider context of the ongoing tensions within the Vanderpump Rules cast. The babysitter incident. During the season 11 reunion, Lala Kent shocked viewers by unveiling a secret feud with Brittany Cartwright. Kent revealed that Cartwright had reached out to Kent's mother without permission on the day she discovered the gender of her second child. Kent expressed her frustration, claiming that if it hadn't been Cartwright, her mother would have confronted her about the matter. It is important to note that Kent clarified that the dispute revolved around a babysitter, not a nanny, emphasizing the distinction between the two roles. The differentiating roles of babysitters and nannies. Kent's emphasis on the difference between a babysitter and a nanny sheds light on the context of the feud. While both roles involve caring for children, there are distinct differences in their responsibilities and scope of work. A babysitter is typically hired on a temporary or part-time basis and provides supervision and care for children for a specific period, such as an evening or a few hours. On the other hand, a nanny often works full-time and may have additional responsibilities, such as managing the child's schedule, preparing meals, and assisting with educational activities. Understanding the distinction is crucial in comprehending the significance of the disagreement between Kent and Cartwright. Lisa Vanderpump's perspective. Lisa Vanderpump, the renowned restaurateur and former star of Vanderpump Rules, found the situation surrounding the babysitter debacle amusing. As a seasoned expert in managing conflicts within her establishments, Vanderpump likely recognizes the inherent drama and tension that can arise between individuals in close proximity, especially in the high-pressure environment of reality television. While Vanderpump's reaction may provide some levity to the situation, it also underlines the recurring drama that has become a hallmark of the Vanderpump Rules franchise. Additional feuds and tensions. It is worth noting that Lala Kent's feud with Brittany Cartwright is just one of the many conflicts that have plagued the Vanderpump Rules cast. Kent has also found herself in feuds with co-stars Katie Maloney and Ariana Mudich, leading to her decision to unfollow them on social media. These disputes add an extra layer of complexity to the dynamics within the show, as the personal relationships of the cast often spill over into their professional lives. Brittany Cartwright's conflict with Stassi Schroeder. In addition to her clash with Lala Kent, Brittany Cartwright has had her own share of issues within the Vanderpump Rules cast. One notable feud involved her strained relationship with Stassi Schroeder, which escalated after Cartwright missed Schroeder's wedding in 2022. This incident further highlights the interconnected web of conflicts and tensions that have become synonymous with the show. The ongoing feud between Lala Kent and Brittany Cartwright over a babysitter has captivated fans of Vanderpump Rules and reality television enthusiasts alike. The revelation made during the season 11 reunion sheds light on the complexities of their relationship and the tensions that arise within the close-knit cast. As the drama continues to unfold, viewers can expect more twists and turns in the lives of these reality stars. The world of Vanderpump Rules remains a captivating and dramatic journey, where friendships are tested, loyalties are questioned, and feuds persist, reminding us why we are drawn to the allure of reality television.